Welcome back. Union government has accepted Finance Commission's recommendations for a substantial hike in share of states in Central Texas. The Finance Commission had suggested raising share of states in Central Texas to 42% from current 32%. The move may give some relief to Goa, currently reeling under pressure of mining closure and fall in tourist inflow. Goa government had suggested revised parameters to 14th Finance Commission during their two-day visit in Goa last year. The 14th Finance Commission had suggested raising share of states in Central Texas to 42% from current 32%. As per the increased devolution suggested in the report of 14th Finance Commission, the states will get rupees 3.48 lakh crore in 2014-15 and 5.26 lakh crore in 2015-16. Finance Commission report says higher tax devolution will allow states greater autonomy in financing and designing of schemes as per their needs and requirements. Overwhelming majority of states have suggested reducing the number of centrally sponsored schemes as well as outlays on them. The Finance Minister Arun Jaitley said that Constitution of Niti Aayog is also based on the same philosophy. Never before has Finance Commission increased share of state in divisible pool by 10%. This is the largest ever change in percentage of devolution. In past, it has been in range of 1 to 2% increase. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has written to Chief Minister informing them of government's decision to accept recommendations of 14th Finance Commission. Last year, in January, state government had demanded almost a double component from the central share in taxes of the states. Then Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar had demanded that parameters like population density, green cover, CRZ and Goa's contribution to the centre's kitty should be considered while deciding Goa's component in the share in Central Texas. State had suggested few parameters while Union 14 Finance Commission was in Goa on two-day visit. The move may give some relief to Goa, currently reeling under pressure of mining closure and fall in tourist inflow. Bureau Report, Prudent. Goa government has decided to take strict action against the mining companies who have failed to submit the financial record to the chartered accountants, probing into illegal mining scam. Some of the mining companies have not furnished the required information for the audit. State government has given deadline of 7 days to mining companies or else has warned of strict action.
Mines Secretary had convened a review meeting regarding the progress of comprehensive audit of the mining companies by the team of chartered accountants. Secretary found that progress of audit is not as per the scheduled dates. The meeting was attended by the chartered accountants and mines officers, informed that some of the mining companies have not submitted required information. They are facing difficulties in auditing the transactions. Mines Secretary has directed the Mines and Geology Department to take strict action against those companies who have failed to submit the required information. They were given 7 days' time to submit the information. The Mines Secretary has directed the Department of Mines to identify the lessees who are not cooperating with the auditors and initiate stern action, including penal action. Sources inform that department has been asked not to allow the lessees to operate if they fail to submit information within given period. A team of 17 chartered accountants was formed to assess the exact loss due to alleged illegal mining since 2007 to 2012. Information pertaining to mining linked to 118 leases and 49 traders has been sought under the special audit. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
Owners of alleged dance bars which were demolished have challenged administration to prove the illegalities. They are ready to face CBI inquiry if they are found faulty. Owners have filed a complaint against MLA Michael Lobo at Human Rights Commission. Restaurant owners allege that structures were demolished to facilitate Lobo's cronies. They are even ready to approach higher court for justice.
आज हमने एक फाइल किया है ह्यूमन राइट में एमएलए साहब के नाम से और आईजी साहब के नाम से। कल नहीं तो परसों हाईकोर्ट जा रहे हैं। तो मेरे को सीबीआई इंक्वायरी चाहिए। सीबीआई इंक्वायरी अगर मैं रॉन्ग हूँ तो मेरे को अंदर, अगर कोई और सामने वाला अगर रॉन्ग है तो उसको अंदर।
8-10 म्हणतात होते बाकीच्यांच्या काय माझ्या हिशोबान हे क्लब स्टॉप करून ते क्लबाचो बिझनेस वाटता हो कितें आसतलो तांकां मिक्सिंग।
ये जो बोल रहा है ना माइकल साहब बोल रहा है कि हम लोगों ने डिमांड किया उसको 25 लाख। आप हमारा डेली का उधर आके रजिस्टर चेक कीजिए, डेली का बिजनेस कितना है। जब हम लोग नहीं 25 लाख पर मंथ कमाते तो इसको 25 लाख कहाँ से देंगे?
तेजर तांच्यांनी लोकलांनी मारलो ताका एका चेड्याक
लोकल ना त्याचे गुंडा
तेज्या गुंडा कोण
लोकल
येयले
ना लोकल ना
ताणें हाडलेले कोण मनीस ते आनी तो येयलो जेन्ना आमचो कॅमेरा आसलो न्हू कॅमेरान तो रिकॉर्ड जाला आनी तेणें आमी सांगलें कॅमेरा गुणे म्हणून कॅमेरा गुणे म्हणजे सगळें काम चालू केलां तेजे जेसीबी हाडून
पुलिसांक जाय जाल्यार फाल्यां ड्रग्स बंद करूंक जाता गोंयान तांकां आदी लायसन दिल्लें रेस्टॉरंट म्हणून and they were operating as dance bars. So villagers of Kalangut had filed that they had built this illegally without obtaining construction license. Permission was given by village panchayat Kalangut where it was Gauravada Kalangut, the ward represented by Joseph Sikpera. आणि आता एक जोझफ आणि आग्नेल जाय पळय तेन्ना एक जाता आणि व्हडले एस्टॅब्लिशमेंट्स दे सपोर्ट आय डोंट नो वाय आफ्टर नोईंग द बॅकग्राऊंड ऑफ ऑल दीस थिंग्स.
We'll take a short break here. Stay tuned.